Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to have the Wi-Fi connection, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but as you can see it has been moved to the I would say our account, so all we have to do is simply tap on the circle with H inside in my case and tap on my apps and games. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending, so obviously you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button update all. But if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, nothing easier, just find it in this list. For example, let me find the Gmail and tap update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list, and right now it is downloading. After that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.